The goal with this activity is to increase your pronation capability at high speed in the foot. So if you're someone, when you're walking, your heel tends to spin out, you have a heel whip, or you don't have really good dorsiflexion, especially in rotational activities, this move is awesome. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get a box, and you'll want to get a kettlebell for this. And the focus is actually going to be on the support foot. So I'm going to do a cheek clean to this box, like so. But the way I'm going to enhance the difficulty is I'm going to progressively cross over midline while keeping my foot flat. So if I were to do just the regular cheek clean, I'm going to look to the horizon, do a quick dip down, toss the leg up, but I'm not going to let my heel come up. I'm going to keep that foot flat. Weight's going to be on the inside heel and the big toe base. Here's how we up the difficulty. You can start this particular move by dipping down and going out to the side like that. But what you want to work on eventually is working your way to where you're closer to midline or even crossing over to the other side, never losing heel placement. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.